Hey everybody, I am an at-home working entrepreneur. This is literally how I earn me and my family's way of living, and this is my workspace. I have literally thousands of dollars invested into my workspace, and I have an odd situation because I live in a place where we have a lot of lightning storms and power interruption, but I don't want any of my equipment to get damaged from surges. And I also need to keep working even when the power doesn't work. So, GoldenMate actually has a solution for this. It's very, very cool. GoldenMate has come out with an uninterrupted power supply with the surge protector built in. It's really, really cool. It comes with a lithium-ion battery that's fully optimized for here at the house. I can't get over it enough. I'm just going to show it to you. I don't keep it on my desk. I keep it underneath my desk. Right here is the GoldenMate uninterrupted power supply. As you can see, it's doing its thing over here. It has a 120 volts passive. So if 120 volts is going into the surge protector, 120 volts is going out, which is really, really good because I'm not losing anything. A lot of the time with these UPSs and surge protectors, whenever you're putting in 120 watts or whenever you're putting in 100 watts, you're only getting out maybe 20, which for the amount of equipment I have, the charging time just isn't going to cut it for that. So the GoldenMate UPS or uninterrupted power supply has that 120 volts. It's really, really light. This is optimal for home use. It's absolutely quiet. You can't hear anything out of this. The battery on this is absolutely huge. So if we were to have a shortage of power, I could probably run my laptops, speakers, monitors, everything I have set up for, I would say, a whole work day, 8 hours, no problem with this bad boy here. And also, I don't have to worry about any of my equipment getting torn up by the surges or fried out because of the electrical surges, because the GoldenMate UPS is now protecting me, and it's so simple to put in. I mean, you literally plug it in your wall. I have a couple of, let me just see if I can show you the back here. So, let me get some light. Be right back. So, on the back of the GoldenMate here, you have, see this top one, I have something plugged in. 2, have something else plugged in. 3, and let me move the slide over here. 4. So you have 4 different outlets that your GoldenMate can plug something into and help protect right away. So you got your 4 switches in the back there, your main power source right there. I mean, this thing is so incredibly. So the GoldenMate UPS is unique in several different factors. One of them is it uses a lithium iron phosphate battery, which sounds very confusing, but what it essentially means is it's a step above your usual UPS batteries on the market. So this lithium iron phosphate battery is guaranteed for up to 10 years of battery life. Typically with these UPS models, about every 2 years, you're going to have to swap out a battery pack or just replace it in its entirety. Not the GoldenMate. This thing is guaranteed for up to 10 years with this lithium iron phosphate battery. So once you make an investment in the GoldenMate UPS, you're definitely making a long-term investment since you are protected for 10 years. I mean, this UPS is absolutely a stud compared to the other similar products on the market. Between the size, the weight, the capabilities, the LED screen, the notifications that you could receive in real-time monitoring of the voltage through the LCD or the LED screen on here. I mean, this thing truly is unique and truly is an innovator, mover, and shaker in the market. I'm very glad to have my GoldenMate UPS because I know me and my valuables are going to be protected in the time where we're going to need them most. So definitely get you a GoldenMate UPS. You will not be disappointed. Easy to use. I mean, I literally just plug this thing in, plugged in my devices, and just like that, I was protected. So, I mean, this GoldenMate has it figured out here. They've come out with a great product. It's going to help protect my thousands of dollars worth of investments. So, yeah, the GoldenMate UPS top of the line. If you're a at-home business entrepreneur, you absolutely need one to help protect your assets.
So overall, the GoldenMate UPS, absolute winner. Now, since you stayed and watched the entire review, I got a promo code for you. Go ahead, use this promo code right here, and it'll save you 10% off your purchase today, right now. Go ahead, grab the promo code, order you a GoldenMate UPS, and save 10% off today. Thank you for watching my review. Get you a GoldenMate. You cannot go wrong.